Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? You should see the things we do. Are you ready for it? In the middle of the night.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys liked the new intro. I loved working on it. Anyways, to start off this video, I thought I would just say that this is a brand new character, and I was really happy to sketch it out and work on him. Bandit helped me. Bandit usually helps me if I create a new character. And I thought I was thinking originally that if I did this dog as an Autobot, then he would be Ultra Magnus's dog. But that ended up not turning out, because I asked Bandit and she was like, you should just do a Decepticon. So I did. And he's Barricade's police dog. And that really worked, so I was really happy. And I love the way it turned out, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. And I hope you have been keeping up on all of the rest of my videos. I will soon be posting daily life videos and much more. Lots more to come, so keep updated, turn on your notifications, and subscribe. Remember to like the videos, and have a great time watching this.
I walk